begin shuffling. Okay, no, I just began. Sorry. So many cards want to come out. Let's shuffle one more time. Okay, going to select two cards randomly. The ones basically I can't see. Maybe this one. Angel of Action. And the Angel of Prosperity. Okay. So Angel of Action comes into picture when you guys are procrastinating, when you guys are not taking action. I will show you the cards. So let's see, let's begin. The Angel of Action is asking you, are you procrastinating? So are you, Pisces? Ask this to yourself. Are you planning to do something and not doing, whether that's a new business, whether that's a new job, or that's a new relationship that you want to start? You need to take action. It's saying take action and complete what you have planned. Speak up for yourself, follow through and take the necessary steps to see your projects to fruition. Have confidence in your ability to make things happen. So I think you guys are lacking confidence right now, Pisces. You think that I don't think it's in my hands. I don't think I can really get that job. Maybe you're trying to apply the job but not getting it, and you know the right people that you can contact, but you're not doing it. So you're like, okay, I don't think I can. Maybe I'll get that job. I don't think. Maybe that job is too good for me. I don't think I can get that guy. Maybe that guy is too good for me. Maybe you have all these feelings, and it says that you need to have confidence because you have the ability to make things happen. You have done it in the past. You have manifested things. Why not now? So in case you have a problem in making action, taking that course of action, then the Angel of Action has some positive affirmation for you that you need to start saying, maybe today itself, and speak it until the new moon of May 11th or a couple of days till after that, so that it can have proper effect, full effect, and give you that kind of courage. So the positive affirmation is, I am grounded and focused on the task at hand. I creatively complete projects so that I can enjoy and share the end result. I am motivated to accomplish all that needs to be done. Maybe it's some household work that you need to do and you're just procrastinating. Maybe it's some work in your job that you're planning to do and you're procrastinating. Maybe it's some distant relative or loved one or friend that you are meaning to call but you're just procrastinating. It could be anything, you know best, right? So say these affirmations, they will give you the courage. Maybe you guys are in a fight and you don't want to call. Maybe you are just too lazy and you don't want to call. Anything. I don't know what you're going through right now, but you're definitely procrastinating, and Pisces are prone to procrastination. I know that because it's my sign. So I will also have to, I think, sit with myself and think about what all am I procrastinating, and start taking action on that. And maybe I'll say these positive affirmations that will help me through this difficult time, right? The other one is the Angel of Prosperity, which is asking you, are you embarking on a new venture? So that could be a new job, that could be a new relationship, that could be a new business that you're planning to start. Do you wish to increase your financial security? I think we all do, Pisces, and you do too. It's saying trust that you have the ability to be successful and prosperous. What did this just say? The angel said have confidence in your own ability to make things happen. This angel is saying trust that you have the ability to be successful and prosperous. Both the angel are saying, or basically asking you to trust yourself or to not demean yourself. Don't think that I'm not good enough. Maybe I'll not get that job in that company because it's too big. Why will they take me? Or why will that guy say yes to me? You are saying all these things. Or I don't know if my business is a good idea or not. I don't know if that's going to flourish or not. Trust that you have the ability to be successful and prosperous. You have the ability to be successful and prosperous. Activate your inner entrepreneur. Believe in yourself and you will reach your goals. Okay? The positive affirmation is, I am blessed with abundance. I am successful in all of my business pursuits. My actions come from a loving place and have beneficial results for myself and others. I am fortunate. I appreciate and enjoy my prosperity. Beautiful. You definitely, I feel, you want to start something new, Pisces. Maybe you have a business idea, but you're too scared to start. And I think this has been happening for a very long time for you guys. You do have that idea, but you just don't want to start. Why? Because you're too scared. Because you don't trust your ability. You don't trust that you will actually be that successful. This idea can actually take you from here till there. It can be a rags to riches journey for you as well. But you're too scared to take that action. So please, Pisces, do these positive affirmations starting from today till the new moon and till for a couple of days after the new moon. This will help you a great deal. You will be able to have that courage. You will be able to take that action, and you will be able to start the adventure, whatever you're planning to. Okay? Do take care of your health, Pisces, and I'm going to see you soon. Bye bye.